I've never done this hairstyle before, but I think I am in love. What do you guys think? And it looks good on me? What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Kaale here again. Today we have a different kind of hairstyle to do. I am really excited for this one. Today we are doing this Yanky twist. I'm going to be showing you how I installed this Yanky twist by myself on myself. Okay, this Yanky twist that I have on me is from Cookoo store from Amazon. I'm going to be dropping the link below so it will be easy for you to order yours if you are feeling this hair as much as I am feeling the hair. Alright, without talking too much, let's just get started and I'll show you guys how you can get this done. I have my hair washed and cleaned. I'm ready for this style. Even on a short hair, we are going to be slaying this. So like I mentioned before, the hair is from Cookoo Hairs. It comes in a package like this. It has 8 packs of the Yanky Twist inside, and in a pack we are having 30 strands. Like I'm holding on my right hand, we have 30 strands, and in total you're getting 240 strands for a full head. They have different lengths from 18 inches down to 6 inches, but what I have with me here is 12 inches, and that is what I'll be working with. Another thing you're getting in this package is a crochet hook, like I've shown you. So basically you're getting the essentials you need to get this hair installed. Now we are going to start with my cornrow. So I don't really bother about the pattern looking very clean because this is a crochet hairstyle and people are not really going to see that pattern like that, because once I'm done installing the hair you won't even notice that the pattern is not clean. So this is the first step I take, and then I'm going to cornrow the front first. So I'm doing the front first because I want it to look extra clean at least before I bother about how the back will look. And that is how I did the front part of my hair. That's done, and then we'll face the back now. I went ahead to join the front to the back. So at the back we have bigger cornrows and front we have smaller sizes. Now we are going to start to install this hair. I was taking 3 strands of the Yanky Twist for the back for the sake of the bumps and how big the cornrow is at the back. So I wanted it to give a full look, and just so people won't notice how big the cornrows are at the back. This hair is pretty much easy to do. Once you get your cornrows done, you're just basically going to be doing the same thing until you are done installing this hair. So I was making the knots double just so I will secure it so the hair doesn't unravel at any point. When I got to the front, I started taking 2 strands instead of 3. So 3 was just for the bigger cornrows, and in front we are doing just 2 strands. I really do appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. If you are a subscriber here, just know that I love you so much. Thank you for always coming back. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. It's totally free, so you can subscribe to my channel if you want more hair tutorials like this. And don't forget to like and leave your comments in the comment section. Okay? After installing the hair, the next step was to trim the hair. So you can style this hair however you want, but me, I wanted layers in mine and I wanted to have some bangs on it, so I went in with my scissors to do that. I also wanted the length to be even. As you can see, some are longer than the others, especially the ones at the back, so I had to bring them forward, use my scissors and trim them, practically give myself what I wanted. Also, the next thing, I did my edges because I wanted it to look neat and clean. So after doing my edges, this was what we had. You guys, this hair is very soft to touch and the curls are given. The hair as well is lightweight. I used all the 8 packs, but I could not even feel the weight on my head. So if you don't like too much pressure on your scalp, then this hairstyle is for you. Like I said, I'll drop the link in the description how to order yours. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave your comments in the comment section and like my video. Also, don't forget to turn on your post notifications. See you in another tutorial. Thank you. Bye.